Hey, welcome to our another tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how you can download any extensions. So if you want to download any extensions, you can search this extension name and go to this, such as I am searching an extensions Grammarly. Click on it. Click install the Grammarly browser extension. Wait. Sorry, as I already downloaded it, it will not showing me. Okay, you can go by this technique, and here you can see a download option, or go to Chrome. So click on it and press enter, and here you can see extensions Chrome Web Store, and the link and the website is chrome.google.com. Click on it. Oh, here is the Chrome Web Store, and here you can find extensions. There are a lot of extensions here. You can download and use any of them. Here you can see you will find categories for extensions and features, categories, rating. Even you can search the web store and find your desired extension. You can also see here theme, so you can change your Google Chrome theme by this option. So I'm clicking here, and if I click on add to Chrome, my browser will look like this. You can try it, as I do not try, and you can add to is Chrome. And this is how you can download any extension and reach the extension websites of Google Chrome. So please give a like, do comment and subscribe, and stay with us. Thank you.